I think this event is very much needed because with all the colleagues what we met here, all of them, they have experience and we share all same interest of finding a solution.
Was something surprised for me because I expected normal lectures, but it was something incredible.
I'm very happy to be of the big team here, and I can listen to the speaker, and I have the connection with the people and the other distributors from around the world. It's very happy for me to have the connection.
It was really nice days, very useful for me in my future work. I am loaded of the positive energy. I have power to support, especially sales, and support more devices because it's really perfect.
I think that is very wow. We need to have it. It's very good opportunity to provide them to another implant dentist in my country. They need to use this superior equipment.
Using this technology from PIC Dental, we are really show to our colleagues and we show also the dental community that there is solution.
PIC Dental is one of our best solutions, I believe that. And it was crazy that you don't waste time, you don't waste effort, and the result is extremely successful.
And then I can learn a lot from the presentation about sales marketing. So I know how to sell a product, know how to make the value to our customer. It's very important for me.
Like we talked for the last days, this is something which closed the circle of the digital dentistry, and this is one thing which is perfect.
For this event, thank you very much for the PIC Dental team that it's renewal of our knowledge, and also we understand very well the new applications, the new and feature developments. I hope that it will be renewed in the next years too.